Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the something went wrong error in Claude AI 2026. Seeing the message something went wrong in Claude can be confusing because it doesn't explain the problem, and in 2026, this error usually is caused by temporary glitches, session issues, or overloaded servers. The good news is that it's rarely serious, so let's fix it step by step. Now the first thing you want to do is to refresh and retry. We're going to start with the basic. Now let's go into the Cloud AI application, whether you're using Android. If you're using desktop, you're just going to refresh in your web browser. And if you're using the app, you're just going to refresh it from here, just like this. You're going to swipe down until you see the rotation arrow, and you're going to leave it here, or close and reopen the app and then resend your message. For example, I'm gonna close and reopen the app just like this and see if it works. If it doesn't, you're gonna try to log out and log back in. Session problems are a common cause, so log back out or Claude AI, then close the browser or app and log back in and try again. You can do that by clicking on here and then clicking on the gear icon right here next to your profile icon, and then you can click on logout. As you can see, you're gonna scroll all the way down until you see the logout option. You're gonna click on it and log out, then log back in and try again. You can also simplify your message. Very long or complex prompts may fail, so break your request into smaller parts and send one task at a time. You can also try to clear the cache or switch browsers by going in Android. You can go to your device settings and scroll all the way down until you see find the app section. You're gonna look from the apps, you're gonna look for the Cloud AI app, just like this. And then you're gonna click on the storage option right here. And in the bottom right corner, you can see an option to clear the cache. Click on it, and this will clear all the cache and corrupted files in the app registry. Now, this something went wrong error in Cloud AI is usually temporary and easy to fix. Once refreshed or relogged, Cloud should work normally again. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.